Okay, hold on, hold on. Watch him pinch it between his thumb and his finger. You do it, come on. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Oh, that was close. You gonna do it again? Yeah, pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Oh, you're so good. You're so good at that. Pinch. Did you pinch yours? Oh. Pinch between the thumb and the finger. Yay. Good job, Colton Mac. That was so good. Now put it in the mouth. Are you frustrated because you can't do it? There you go. That was so good. I love my banana.